So it's like this. You can either do what she's asking you to do, or I'm going to cite you with trespassing. If you still refuse to leave, I'm going to take you to jail for trespassing.
Welcome to the 2025 Colorado State Fair.
Hey Sarah, how are you tonight?
How's it going?
Good. So unfortunately, we can't allow you to be here. You have to be within a booth space or within a designated space to be able to collect petitions on grounds.
It's freedom of speech. I'm not inside your property.
So I can cite you a Supreme Court rule and send it to you if you'd like.
I have the Supreme Court ruling, Cox versus Louisiana.
No, sir.
What's the one you have?
I have Heffron versus Krishna.
Okay.
And I'm happy to pull it up for you. Heffron versus Society for Krishna Consciousness.
Welcome to the 2025 Colorado State Fair.
Says,
Proceed to the entrance.
providing that sale or distribution of any merchandise, including printed or written material.
I'm not
Except
selling
for you,
though. This
but
is
you
free
are-
speech.
But you are protesting.
It's free. There's a difference between selling and free speech. I'm not selling anything.
It includes any paper documents.
It does not.
It does.
I know the law. I study it. It's my job. I have to understand my rights. I have a right to petition on public pedestrian walkways outside of
So the
government
problem
property.
is this is not public. You are
This
not
is a public
If you purchased
walkway.
entertainment tickets before August
You are
22nd,
on
your gate
fairgrounds
admission
property
is
right
included.
now.
Please.
Trespassing.
Trespassing?
Yes.
For what?
Trespassing.
For freedom of speech
No,
on a
on
taxpayer.
private property. We're told not
So
to do.
here's the deal.
It's taxpayer property. Is this not taxpayer property?
Okay, again, so pack it
It
up.
is.
This is their private
This is
property.
sidewalk not built with
I'm not
taxpayer
arguing with you.
dollars.
Grab your stuff and leave, or
I
you're going
am.
to jail.
I have a right to petition on public pedestrian walkways outside of
So the
government
problem
property.
is this is not public. You are
This
not
is a public
If you purchased
walkway.
entertainment tickets- before August
You are
22nd,
on
your gate
fairgrounds
admission is
property right
included.
now.
Please
No,
proceed
the
directly
fair
to
is
the
in
entrance
there.
gates.
No, the
Enjoy
fairgrounds
your
property
visit.
extends to this space.
So what law am I breaking?
So you are on fairgrounds property.
It's
Violates the
free.
Supreme Court law.
I'm not allowed to have conversations with
You
people.
can absolutely have free speech, and if you would like to walk around and have conversations with people, but you cannot distribute or have signatures and papers.
Well
And
then,
you cannot set
okay.
up a booth. So this is a booth space, right? This is a booth on our grounds.
For your
because
safety,
this is our
the following
property.
items are
Okay.
prohibited from
So
entering the
unfortunately,
fair.
you cannot have a booth. You have not paid for a
Knives,
booth.
guns,
Well,
weapons of
it's
any
freedom
kind.
of speech.
No
I don't
pets
have
are
to
allowed
pay
except
because
for
I'm not
certain
selling
animals.
anything.
Property.
Smoking
You
of
do. Everybody
is
in
prohibited.
there.
I thought you guys said last week I was cool after I talked to you
To
guys.
the space she
Enjoy your
designated.
time.
That's what I told you.
Colorado
You know I
State
told you
Fair.
that last
Space
week.
designated
Go back
to
and
you.
look at your camera. I
Yeah.
told you last week. her designated space she allowed you to go to. You again are not in that space, are you?
Well, can you
in
look?
that space? So it's like this. You can either do what she's asking you to do, or I'm going to cite you with trespassing. If you still refuse to leave, I'm going to take you to jail for trespassing.
Okay.
So what would you like to do? Would you like to go to the designated space, or would you like to be cited?
Badge number and card.
You got it on that.
No, I need your name and badge number and your card.
Again,
I need it this time. You didn't give it to me last time.
Rude, and again, I don't have a badge number for the second time.
You don't have a badge number.
Again, none of us in the sheriff's office have badge numbers.
Hey, Officer Rude. I want your radio sign. What is your radio call sign?
Lincoln 3.
Lincoln 3?
Yes, ma'am.
And
Okay, get your stuff. I'm going to take it for you. What do you want to do?
court cases, I just want you to take a look at
I don't need to take a look at anything. You're about to
Colorado Supreme Court. This is definitely a pedestrian walkway.
So now it's your last chance.
Andrew, okay, I'm leaving. All right, all right. Okay. All right. I'll move it. Okay.
Thank you. Please
I just want
start
your card, please.
Again,
Police
I
card.
don't have a card on me. I don't have
Okay.
else to tell you that.
All right, Officer Rude. I got all these guys violating my rights. I'm gonna pack up, but you guys are violating my rights of free speech on a pedestrian
Unfortunately,
walkway.
you're on our property, which is not a pedestrian walkway.
How is this not a pedestrian walkway, though? Look at
Let's
it.
start packing our stuff, okay?
All right,
Hey,
this is definitely a
listen.
pedestrian
What's your name?
walkway.
So
What's
now
your
it's your
name?
last chance.
Andrew, okay, I'm leaving. All right.
Jail.
We're having a conversation.
We already had a conversation.
Well, if you're
There's
talking
no
to me,
need for a
okay.
conversation.
If you're talking to me, I'm having a conversation with you.
Grab your stuff. We don't want to talk to you anymore. We want you to leave.
Okay.
Okay?
All right. Well, I'm going to sue you guys for violating my free speech on a taxpayer pedestrian walkway. You guys don't know the laws. Okay. You have. I mean, it's freedom of speech. I don't understand. Coxless versus Louisiana. There's a bunch of different court cases. Any pedestrian walkway outside of a government facility, free speech is protected. So, do you have your Attorney General's number?
You can look
No.
that up, though. Go ahead and grab your stuff and get moving, okay?
To Google the Attorney General.
Okay. All right. All right, here's a video of the fair. So you can see there's a public sidewalk right there. It goes all the way around the fair. There's the fair entrance. All right. There to the right, that's where I was petitioning on a 20-foot wide sidewalk where the cops kicked me out. Sidewalk goes all the way around the fair. But yeah, they say that that's fair property, that I don't have a right to petition there. I don't buy that at all.